Hi everyone. So right now I'm going to show you how to create a new table, how to apply a default value to one of your columns, and how to set a primary key. So over here you're going to right click on tables, click on new table. So I'm going to make my first column the primary ID. I'm going to name it tenant ID. The data type will always be a number, so it's int. I'm going to uncheck allow nulls because you can't really have a unique primary key with no values added to it. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to make this a primary key right now. So I'm going to right click and click on set primary key, and then go down here to your column properties and scroll down to identity specification. Expand that, and now you're going to change the is identity from no to yes. And down here in over here, identity C, it's just asking you what number do you want to start with. So I'm going to start with 500, and how much do you want it to increment by? Increment by 4. Let's increment by 3. So that's how you set the primary key. Our next, let's just make a few more columns. First name, and I'm going to uncheck this because I always want first name entered by the user. Email. And now we are going to apply a default value for this last column, the date. And you want to uncheck allow nulls because you always want it filled in. And by applying a default value, the user or the application doesn't have to enter it every time. So make sure this column is highlighted, date, and then go down here in your column properties, and in the first section, general, where it says default value, I'm going to type get date. And now I'm going to save this table, and the asterisk right here means that there was changes made. Now I'm going to save this table as the tenant table, and then the asterisk went away because it was saved. Now I'm going to close this, expand tables, and you should see your new table right here. Now let's check to see if this works. I'm going to right click and do edit top 200 rows. Now I'm going to leave tenant ID and date empty because it's supposed to generate it for us. Let's do Sharon Smith. Email. And I'm just going to click enter. Now I'm going to close this, refresh, and then do select, click on select top, 1000 rows, and you can see that the tenant ID and the date was automatically generated for us. So that's how you create a new table, set up primary key, and apply a default value. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.